Okay, welcome back. Hello. In the last video, we created an image. We used the src, width, height, and the alt attributes. In this video, in this lesson, what we're going to do is make this a link, because if I go back to my page, I can't click that. It goes nowhere. And we need this to actually go somewhere. Well, we don't need to, but maybe we want this to. Maybe we want this to go to our second page.html. So let's go ahead and wrap our image in an anchor. So we say href is equal to, and I can fill that in just a second. I'm gonna select that, and all I'm doing is tabbing this in, just because I am pretty keen on nice tabbing. And then we do /a. So we have an opening tag and a closing tag, and that means it's going to go around our image. And then for our href, let's do second page.html. And that's going to go to our second page.html. And so if I refresh this, it looks like nothing's changed, but I can now actually click it. And you can see at the bottom left there, it says second page.html. If I click this, it goes to my page. Go back home, scroll on down, and now we have an image that goes to another page. Now, all we've really done here is nested an image inside of an anchor tag. And this is why nesting was really important to learn to begin with. We learned about images, we learned about anchor tags, and now we're just mixing the two together. So what I would like you to do is this exact same thing. Grab an image, whatever image from unsplash.com, make sure it shows up on your page, and then link to another page. You could even just link to google.com if you wanted to, or some other web page out there if you don't have a second page already built out. You can link to anywhere on the internet, your Facebook profile, your LinkedIn profile, anything like that.